Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you another wonderful look I created. Okay, so for my client today, I'm going to be doing amazing makeup for her. As you can see guys, I'm done with her hair. So this is the Nigeria kind of okuku that we do for our weddings. Though these days people actually use it for their birthday photo shoot, you can use it to do whatever you want, but in this case she actually celebrated her 10th year wedding anniversary, so she decided to celebrate it with this wonderful piece of art. So right now guys, I'm done with the okuku, though I didn't show the process of the okuku and all that. So if I'm going to show the making of the okuku, the video is going to be too long, so I just decided to start the video from the makeup. Okay guys, so right now I'm done applying primer on her face. So I cleaned the face, like the face was already set to apply foundation and all that. So right now I'm also done with the foundation. If you noticed earlier guys, when I was applying the foundation, you noticed that the foundation was kind of a little bit darker than her shade, her tone, her skin tone. Why? Because I wanted to do it that way so that when I use my concealer to highlight, then I'll actually get to our own shade of skin. So that was the major reason I used it. In case if you are wondering, like when I applied the foundation, it was a bit darker than her neck, so that was basically the reason I used the darker shade, so just to get that good look after, so that I will not have to stress too much in bringing out her face. So I just needed to use the darker shade, then use my concealer to get a rich shade. So that's that. The next guys, I'm done applying the highlighter, like the concealer to highlight. So now guys, I'm going to be using my dry contour. As you can see, on the same area I used my liquid contour before. So that is it guys. The next, I'm just going to snatch the nose, like to make it look a bit slimmer. So that is it. Then next, I'm going to be applying my blush, then move over to the brows. Okay guys. So for my brows, as you can see guys, I'm just using a spoolie to brush the brows. Actually, before I use the pencil, I first of all use my brow tamer to brush the brows before lining it with my eyebrow pencil. So now I'm using eyebrow pencil from Davies in the shade 18 to line the brows before I fill in the middle of the brows. And for my concealer for the brows, I'm going to be using LA Girl to conceal the brows. So for the down part of the brows, I'm going to be using a lighter shade. Then for the upper part of the brows, I'm also going to be using another shade. Okay, that is it guys. So for our shadow guys, I'm going to be using red, as you can see, as the main color. Then for the inner corner, I'm going to be using light gold. For the outer corner, then I'm going to be using brown shade. So this eyeshadow guys I'm using is actually from Beauty Glazed Color Pop eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow guys is really nice and I use it a lot. So basically that's what I'm going to be creating for the eyeshadow. As you can see already, the gold is not really that sharp gold, but it's a really fine gold, kind of cool gold. So it's really fine mixed with this color and it gives you that perfect look, especially for trad, like for traditional weddings and all that. This eyeshadow is really good. It's a bomb. So that is it for the eyeshadow guys. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with the eyeshadow. So I'm just blending her face to make it look all nice and smooth. Okay, so right now I'm using mascara, okay, to kind of brush the down part of her lower lashes. So the next step is I'm going to be applying the bronzer. As you can see guys, I'm applying bronzer. So I'm also going to apply it on the nose. Then when I'm done, I'm just going to dive right to do the lip, guys. So for the lips today, guys, I'm going to be using 3 shades of colors to do our lips. I'm going to be using brown, I'm going to be using pink, and then I'm going to be using red. Then later on, I'm going to mix a little bit of one color, then pink with concealer, so to get that kind of color I want for the lips. So don't worry guys, when you get to the part I'm doing the lips, you understand what I'm talking about. So that is it. fine, this is the final look. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying my makeup seal it face spray. Okay guys, so this is the final look of my amazing work I created for this my beautiful client. So let me know what you think about this look, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Okay guys, and don't forget to subscribe. So don't forget to also let me know what you think about this look. For me, this look is amazing. Okay, so let me know what you think about the hair, the makeup. Okay, your favorite part of this look, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you have any question for me, don't forget also to drop it in the comment section, and I will be glad to respond to your comment. Okay guys, that is it. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you, and thanks for your support. Bye bye.